We are at the MBTA Charlestown Bus Facility performing shoreline stabilization by installing jet grouting columns. The job was awarded by the MBTA to the Middlesex Corporation and subcontracted to TREVIICOS, who teamed up with Nicholson Construction. Work was performed within a cofferdam in the Mystic River, initially on barges, and was transitioned onto platforms built by the GC to reduce standby time caused by low tide. Our job entailed the installation of almost 1,300 bi-fluid jet grout columns of 4, 6, and 7 foot diameters, at depths ranging from 20 to 40 feet deep. Jet grout quality control, coring, and tests was performed to assure compliance with the specs of 250 psi for the sample breaking. We used 2 Soil Mech SM14 drill rigs for jet grout production and a Soil Mech SM8 for the coring. Our know-how allowed us to go through the stabilization process, despite the numerous checking required on contaminated soil and the logistic challenges of the job. Work will be completed by the beginning of November.